Behold, nothing but Sperndek Spartans for as far as the eye can see. What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. Going to a place today for breakfast. Put the name up on the screen here. I believe it's called the Perk Coffee and Company. Looked incredible. As usual, Sunday, I'm up early, 5 a.m. whether I like it or not, and I'm like, I'm going for an early ride, I'm not waiting around. And I stumbled upon this place, and I don't know how long it's been there, but I've probably driven past the location it's at more times than I can count. Looks incredible. I'm hoping it's good. I ordered a new visor for my Scorpion Covert FX, and this has the pin lock in it, and man, it is letting more air in than I'd like. I think I'm gonna order the standard visor and just go with that. They make a pin lock you can stick in. Problem is, I put it in the last one and it was too low, and when I peeled it off there was glue residue, and I can't get it off. So I saw some mini French toast at this place, and I was like, good lord, that looks good. I'm definitely getting that.
In 1 mile, turn left on Oak Tree Road.
I don't know if you're going to see that, but that was like the world's smallest security car. Hey, another dude out here. there's this big Kawasaki Vaquero, and then I don't know what the hell that was. Is that a motorcycle or a scooter? Yeah, this weather's perfect. I don't even think it's hit like 70 yet. It's nice. You can wear a t-shirt, like very psyched to be out on the midlife crisis mobile here 2 days in a row. My knees, however, are not so psyched with some of the riding positions on those Indians. Boy, did they let me know they were unhappy when we got home. Oof. How do you like to go into this corner? Too hot, Spoke too soon, it gets worse. I could have totally just went up, I forgot the name of the street. You know, I'm bitching about the visor before not realizing I have the windshield in the down position, letting more air on me. Dumb ass. That's right, ding ding.
In 0.2 miles, use the right lane to exit right. Exit right to exit 16. Orangeburg Road toward Orangeburg.
Yeah, this was unnecessary. There's a road that runs the same direction we could have taken. Probably take it back. Yeah, this is the road. What the hell is it called? Dutch Hill Road. And I believe it's in here.
Right lane to turn right on Dutch Hill Road.
Oh, sweet is it? The Perk House. That's what it's called.
Turn left. Then turn left on Dutch Hill Road. Turn left on Dutch Hill Road. Turn left. Then turn right.
I did not expect this mini French toast to be this good. Holy crap. Alright, the Perk House. First, iced coffee, good. Let me tell you something, that place smelled so good. I was like, I think I'm setting my expectations too high. And then they bring out my lemon blueberry mini French toast. And they bring it out, right? And I'm like, holy crap, look at the presentation on this. And then I take the first bite, I'm like, holy shit, is this good? I have never had French toast that good in my entire friggin' life. Like, forget thumbs up and this and that, which I usually say, you gotta go here and try that if you like French toast. Yeah, did not expect that to be that friggin' good. I didn't want to film inside. You know, there's a lot of people eating breakfast, and I was like, the food's what counts. And if you go there, it's right next to the laundromat. There's no sign or anything. But, oh my God, so friggin' good. This is where it's coming to Orangeburg, even if you're not in the area. Holy hell, I did not expect that to be that good. This is a place I'll definitely be coming back to. I can't say enough good things, and it was perfect, man. It was mini, you know, I didn't want a huge overeat. I might have added a side of something, bacon or sausage or something, but I didn't. God, that was so freaking good. And if you made it this far, friends, I thank you for watching. I drop my videos every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. I thank you for giving up your free time, and I hope you'll come back and watch another video or two. Take care.